Is your kid fear of doing something new? Is your kid is not friendly with anyone else? Is your kid find something difficult in doing something new? How is your kid's mental health and how he is or she is gelling up with other people? All these things comes under the kid's mental health and behavior pattern. So, in today's video, we are going to find the answers to all these questions and to know how we can help them to overcome these fears and help them to make a healthy and meaningful life. All right, so stay tuned. हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अंग्रेजी टू इंग्लिश। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? गाइस, आज की वीडियोस आपके लिए कुछ स्पेशल होने वाली है। स्पेशल इन द सेंस दैट यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट, समथिंग न्यू. I am going to discuss about how routine plays important role in our life. All right, there should be routine in everyone's life. Without a proper routine, we cannot like manage things as we can do in a much better manner. All right, so let's get started. And if you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe my video. Having a proper routine teaches a child the importance of time management as well as helping them to follow a schedule. For example, if your child goes to bed at the same time every night, then they will soon begin to learn that the hour before bedtime is their time to begin winding down. They will wind up everything that they have not sorted out. The other benefit of daily routine is it helps to set expectations. For example, rather than having a debate at dinner time about who has the job to set the table, if it's written in someone's weekly planner or diary or anywhere else, then they will know that it's their job and they will be prepared to do it, and you don't have to say about it anymore. The other benefit is it gives a child confidence and independence. If a child has a task written in their weekly planner, even if something as small as brushing their teeth before they go to bed, then they will be able to look at their planner and know to do this themselves rather than having to be told, which will instill a sense of independence and pride. The other advantage is it creates habits, whether it's brushing their teeth in the morning or completing their homework before dinner time. Having a routine in place helps to create these habits in children and teaches them how to manage their time. And the last but not the least, helps children to get excited about what's coming up. If children know what to expect, such as watching a film together one evening or making pizzas together at the weekend, then they can have something to look forward to. सो गाइज आई थिंक दैट यू मस्ट हैव एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो. आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी? बिकॉज मैंने इसमें बहुत कुछ डिस्कस करने की कोशिश करी है जिससे लाइक यू कैन मेक अ प्रॉपर शेड्यूल ऑफ योर kids and children, and also for yourself you can implement this like while learning English. You can make a proper routine for yourself. Even for learning anything you can make a proper routine, because routine is very important. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And let's meet in the next meaningful and useful video. Bye bye.